Hi everyone, today we are talking about a very big subject, and that is that I'm no longer going to be making any more videos on this channel. I am actually going to be moving channels to another channel, and I'll tell you that why in a little bit of a second for you guys that do want to know. I know we have a lot of people on this channel now, and it's frustrating that I have to move channels, but I'll cover it all in a second. But if most of you guys can move across to the new one, that would be absolutely amazing. I think we've just got about 2,300 subscribers or something like that. So if we can get at least half of you guys across, that'd be absolutely amazing. The new channel is in the description below. I've put the link there, so just go along and click the subscribe button on that one. The new channel is still going to be called JKR Investing. I nearly call it Jacob Investing, but I just think it didn't have the same kind of ring. But yeah, it's going to be the same channel name as now, and then this channel I'll kind of just rename like JKR Old Channel, and I'm going to post 2 more videos on this one, which will be also posted on the new channel, and then I'll stop making videos on this channel now, and then go across to the new one, and I'll go through the reasons why I'm having to make a new channel. It's a bit frustrating because I've spent like so long trying to build this one up with subscribers and views, but I have hit a problem, which to be honest with you I should have really realized a bit earlier, but I didn't. And I thought now is the best time to do it and move across this new one. So the problem, or the reason why I'm moving channels, is due to Google. Now what has happened is Google have put a ban about a few years ago, before I even started doing stock videos. They actually put a ban on quite a few features onto this channel, and I have appealed this ban I'd say over 20 times, but every time I've appealed, what happens, it's just like a robotic email responding to the email, and then it says your appeal has been unsuccessful. Same robotic email again, and there's pretty much no way to contact Google to try and get this resolved. Now, because of these banding features, it pretty much limits what I can do with the channel right now, and a lot of features that I want to put into the channel to try and grow it. Ideally, I would love to get this channel up to about 10,000 subscribers within, like a year, 2 years. And also we're pushing in a lot of views at the moment. We're getting about 1,000, 1,500 views every kind of video, even more than that sometimes. But all these kind of bans on the channel means that I can't really do as much on this channel as I want to. The only way is to go and start a new channel, and I have tried to fix it with Google, but they are not kind of helping me at all. They're not trying to fix this problem that we have. So the only way is actually to go restart the channel now, which is frustrating, and I'm really annoyed that I have to kind of restart one. But for you guys, obviously, if you still want to carry on watching my videos, if you can move across that new channel, that'd be absolutely amazing. Like I say, I'll post 2 more videos on this channel that I have right now, and then that's it. I won't be posting anymore. So if you do want to go and carry on watching my videos, there's a link in the description below. It's going to be called JKR Investing again, so just go along there, guys, subscribe, and thank you so much for doing that. Like I say, we've got quite a few subscribers on here, so if we can get at least like 1,000 of you guys across ASAP, that'll be absolutely amazing. So I'm sorry for that like little inconvenience. It's something I didn't want to do, but it has to be done. But thank you for all the support recently. It's been absolutely amazing, and just thought I'd share that now with you guys. I'll be making that switch over this week, so thank you if you do that, and I'll see you on the next video on that channel over there.